Check it out, my Canon SX720. Look at it, the screen's gone purple. The screen has clearly gone purple. I just turned it on to get some shots and it's flickering. Don't want to wash it out too much in the sunlight. As you can see, I'm out in the bush, but look at it, it's flickering. Yeah, it's gone purple and flickering. It's terrible. I'm going to put it down. So you can clearly see it's not the angle of the light. It is clearly malfunctioning. See if we can get it. See, now it's turned back again to the normal color. I'm just using my phone. I'm going to turn this off. Turn it back on again. Yeah, strange, very strange. It's done that a couple of times now. Every 2 or 3 times I turn it on and off, it flickers like that. Turns purple and flickers. Now this is the second SX720 I've had. The first one I sent back for the same reason, so it seems to be a common fault with this model. Seems to be a faulty design of some kind. Let's see if I can replicate it. Yeah, very strange. So I'll keep trying to document it every time it happens, but it is a regular occurrence. Every couple of times it does turn purple.